pins is stopping it from sliding out. I can see it's According to my Bentley workshop manual, you are meant to be able to remove the hinge on an angle, but this just isn't going to happen for me. So I've got two doors and I'll try two different ways to remove the hinge. It's highly likely the last person that's changed these straps didn't put the circlip onto the pin. So I was able to use a chisel, put it in behind, and then hit that with a hammer and push it so that it would eventually come out flat like that. But that's only possible if the circlip is out. To get to the circuit from inside, I'm sure it's possible, but I think that it's why they didn't put it in the first place. It's just the tiny bit that this pin will poke out that's causing the problem, and it's so strange that this isn't shaped just enough for that to slide itself in. But that's what I'll be doing to put it back. Initially I thought I bought two left-hand check straps, but if you turn them around you can see that there's an R, which means that they have to be put in the right way, otherwise it wears them out quickly. As you put these pins in, you can set the strap in an open or closed hinge position. It's near impossible to move this once in place, and I found that the open hinge position was easier to mount the door back on. Here I didn't know this, and I set it to the closed hinge position, which created quite a bit of pain for me later on. So I've done a combination here of taking this a little bit, making this a little bit bigger, and it still was a bit tight. So what I've done is I've just ground down the tips of these pins as well, and now it fits in quite well.